Guys, today we are back in another video.
Don't press the button.
Yeah.
And the button's right. Oh God. Stay away from the house.
No, and before we started, we all died from a meteor. Me.
Coin. I have a speed coil, so I'll be faster than you.
Oh,
Now I'm really fast. Oh,
How much
geez.
is it?
I'm really quick. Oh God, it's 200 coins. I'm real quick.
Oh, I got it.
Aiden, I'm like Sonic right now.
Epic Duck, fake gun, hot
I'm
dog.
a literal Sonic right now because I literally have my speed
Block
coil on
speed coil.
while it's speedy.
Okay, I bought it.
I'm faster than everybody.
Yeah. Hello.
I like it normal instead.
How are you faster with this?
Oh God, get out of the way. Ow.
Jeez.
You don't know which way it's gonna come.
Well, I
So
just
just
guessed.
get out of the way entirely.
Oh, I need the speed coil for this.
No, somebody kill me.
I'm dead.
Yeah, let's just wait here together, okay, dude?
No.
Coin. My coin.
Dang it.
No, I was so close. So close.
I love you. I don't.
That's the bear.
Yeah. You can't catch me. I'm too
we died
famous.
from.
Yeah. This is what we were like. What's going on, guys? Today we are back in another video, and today we are
And then
playing.
the next thing you hear it is an oof.
Yeah, and today we are playing. Meteor, please destroy us.
I'm already at 100 coins.
I'm at 100. Did you almost die? I'm gonna stand on his body.
I got the fake gun.
I'm going to get the coin.
Hurry to the top. I hate this one.
How?
You have to get to the top with the parkour. And it's quick.
Yeah.
Did I forget to mention it?
No one can do that.
Oh, well, people have before.
Oh, wow. Man, it's going. You know what? I'm a speed coil out of here. Is there a jump coil? Sharp. Flamethrower. Did I forget to mention there's a flamethrower?
Thank you. I love that one.
I need to turn it up. Oh, God! I didn't
It's the
know.
most beautiful thing. It's a banana next to a banana.
Doge. Oh, I want to take a picture with one. Where are them? Where are the Doge? I can't see any. I see your chat. I didn't see the Doge. Oh gosh. I hate this one. Yeet. Doge. I just spawned right when I died. Oh my god.
I'm trying to get to the end.
Why do I keep... Oh yeah. Your boy is up in here. I was the only one that survived.
I'm just gonna hide in the corner.
I was the only one that survived.
Don't care what happens, I'm just gonna hide in the corner.
Yeah, because either way you survived.
Somebody press the button.
Oh, that was a horrible idea, Bethany. I knew it was going to be a tsunami incoming, but I'm dead. I'm dead so quick. I was right there. It's banana. Oh shoot. Just keep jumping.
Use your speed coil. Ow.
Oh
I
yeah.
completely died. How?
You need to use your speed coil for this one. Or you can jump. Ah! I wasn't jumping. How are you alive? Oh no, mine. Who's alive?
This random guy.
Are you
I
kidding
can't
me?
ever even get past the start.
Wow, he's good. Let me speed coil.
I think everybody just wants to go. Yay!
Yay! Yo, I want to take a screenshot with the Doge. Yo, first one to hop off of the Doge. Oh my gosh, look at his serious face. Look at his serious face. Yep, there's a loved one. What? I can't see. No, with another banana. Cause I'm a banana. And I'm another one.
I'm Sonic.
Oh, what's up? Oh, what's up? Bye. 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 Bye.
There's the golden Doge.
Hello. Wait, Stalker with the Doge. I missed.
There's two Doges.
Oh.
I just saw that. Oh no. Get away.
What was that?
No.
Who is that? I will kill you with my shotgun. Pew! Oh shoot. Now I'm gonna respawn when it's next to me. Oh no, mine.
Oh, man, I got away.
Dang it. This guy's doing so good. Okay, what's the next one? Oh gosh.
Stay next to the button. I'll go shoot.
Let's do the video again. Let's go.
Can I shoot you?
I instantly died. Got it. Oh shit. I looked up and I just saw the meteor.
I have an epic duck.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, watch this one. It's funny.
Oh man.
Diamond. This song better not get age restricted or copyrighted. Get the coin, get the coin, get the coin. You idiot. I just hear quacking. Quack, quack, quack,
That may
quack.
or may not be my duck
Huh?
that I bought for 20
Oh,
coins.
jeez. 20 coins, that's cheap.
I like singing. I like dancing.
I like train.
I don't know where it's gonna come from. Cool.
That's why you gotta stay to the corners.
Okay. It's the moment of silence and the moment of truth. Yes! I love it. Daddy, parkour. I will shoot you with my gun. Pow! The speed coil sucks. I can't use it. You're not even that fast, but you can use it to get close. Don't ruin my moment. I was right there.
No.
No.
I was literally at the top.
Oh
And then oh god.
Who just died?
I don't know.
No one.
Somebody who's not aware of this stupidness. Oh yeah, thank you.
Creeper. Yeah. Oh man.
Rip Steve! He was an ugly skin
Hey,
anyway.
Vsauce, Michael here.
Oh god. Hey, pizza sauce. Michael. Oh. Yeah, bombs.
You don't like me.
No, I'm actually going to get the coin. I died. This is some stupid content you're watching here. Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die! I'm firing my laser. Yeah. No, I'm mining it. You. Wah, wah, wah. I got 300 coins. My goal is 1,000.
Aiden, stay in one place. Stay in one place. Stay there. Ready?
Yeah.
Jump, it's so cool. Jump.
What? What?
Jump, you just keep floating up.
Not.
Ah!
That's...
Look how high up I am.
Oh.
Are you kidding?
I want to go.
Ah!
Why can't
Jump.
I fly?
Without anything.
I be falling.
Ah!
Up there she goes.
Oh yeah, thank you.
No, 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 no. Man, such a beautiful day to mine.
Oof. Big oof.
I like singing.
Oh no.
I like dancing.
I like trains.
Jeez. What a nice night. What? There was meteors, bombs coming in. Get next to the button.
Get on top of it.
No, actually. Okay. I'm in your body. We should have started the video out like this. I'm in your body. Don't you spoil that.
Totally not me.
What?
Well, I didn't die.
Oh yeah. Wow, such a beautiful day to mine.
Creeper. Oh, man.
Yay.
That was perfect timing when I pressed reset. Oh yeah.
No.
No! I was right there. I was so close. Yes. You can easily skip it.
Nope, I'm dead.
Nope, I'm dead. No one can make that. It's the tower. Hey, look, I made it. I shall survive. No. I will shoot you. Pah! Oh God. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Bum, 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 bum.
No.
I died too. Let's wash. Let's wash. Yeah, this boy's about to wash. This boy's about to wash. Yeah, that boy's about to wash. He's cool. That's what he's saying right now. Oh, thanks. I want to press it. I want to press it.
Jump. Jump.
Why can't I keep floating up?
I'm floating.
How?
I don't know.
You got the magical duck. Let me get it. Fake gun, epic duck, hot dog, fame. Oh, fame.
Creeper.
Shoot.
Oh man.
The quack of the duck killed me.
Go by the button and jump. Yeah, go by the button.
Maybe that works. Bye bye. Oh. There she blows. You're gonna die by a meteor while falling. You're
And I
gonna.
completely fell and then I fell off the map. Well,
Go get the coin. Go get the coin. Go get the coin. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Go back. Go back. Oh. Made it. I survived. I survived. Yo, what is this going? I donate and I'm the best.
bought another thing.
Coca-Cola, cool. Doge. Look how serious his face is. Like, hey, I'm going to my job. Hey, pizza boy. Bye-bye. Yeet. Let's see if we can find the Doge. I don't think it's down here. Yeah, I don't think it is. Shoot. Bye, guy.
Ow.
So we died by firing the laser. But I would like to thank you guys so much for watching and see
Doge on the
ya.
floor.
What? Doge. Bye-bye.
Standing on the Doge.
Oof. Bye, guys.